was like one of the most no-brainer things I've done since I've started my business. I mean, basically you've got your utility company saying, hey, we want to help you save on your monthly utility bill, okay? And we'll give you money to do it.
We recoup the cost of these lights within the first 7 to 8 months worth of operation. I am the owner of Trimlight, which is permanent holiday lighting. The wattsmart program was absolutely vital to us. Rocky Mountain Power sent out a representative, counted up all the lights, and showed us the incentive that Rocky Mountain Power was offering for this service.
In 2016, I found a car wash for sale, and I'd always wanted to try something entrepreneurial, so that's how I got Sparkle Zone Car Wash. I came to that business with an approach of every dollar that we invest should go toward the ultimate goal of washing cars and serving customers.
The Red Iguana is a Mexican restaurant here in Salt Lake City that started in 1985. When I first started here, most everything was just the old style incandescent bulbs. My goal was to get everything converted to LED because ultimately it saves time for me dealing with changing bulbs and is a lot more energy efficient.
The wattsmart program is for businesses and individuals to help them accomplish and achieve energy efficiency goals and targets. The Small Business Direct program specifically helps small businesses and is created as a commitment to the small business communities that we serve.
I was actually really surprised that what they were offering to do was purchase the bulbs and to install them and have them take care of the entire thing was actually less than what I could even buy the bulbs for.
I could get back to doing what I do, which is run a company instead of having to mess with worrying about what my lighting was going to be doing.
I really liked working with them, and it blows my mind still when I see car dealerships or parking lots that are still using those old sodium or metal halide lights, and I'm just thinking, why aren't you doing this? Like,
small businesses are the heart and soul of this community, and we want to be a part of that to the largest extent possible.